Hi guys, do you want to see how a £50 drone of this day and age can compare against a £1,000 drone? One of the top drones out there, one of the top drones ever made. Let's go to the tail of the tape and then we'll get down and we'll get out there and we'll tell you how this drone performed against the bad boy of drones of this day and age. Hi guys, well the time has come to compare a £50, that's 50 English pounds, against a £1,000 drone. Yes, a £50 drone against a £1,000 drone. And it's not just any £1,000 drone, it's been the drone that we all know and love for several years now. You know it, you love it, it's the one and only PHANTOM DJI, and he's up against the BALCO FPV HD £50 drone, recently purchased from the Aldi store round the corner. I had to get it, I had to see what a £50 drone of this day and age can do, so let's get down to the tail of the tape. We have got in the £50 drone, which is this one. So let's get zoomed in. We have 2.4 gigahertz technology, detachable built-in HD camera, 720p, 4-channel function, built-in 6-axis gyroscope for precise hovering and stability. Flight time 6 to 8 minutes per charge, depending on usage. Yes, you heard me right, 6 to 8 minutes per charge. And that's a charging time of approximately 2 hours and 10 minutes. Shocking, but what do you expect for £50? Control distance, approximately 45 meters. Again, shocking. When you hear how far the PHANTOM 4 goes, you'll understand. Voyager quadcopter input 3.7 volts, 500 mAh. Voyager quadcopter battery type lithium. Battery for transmitter, 4 AA active energy batteries included in with the quadcopter. Low voltage protection, first person view transmission to iOS or Android cell phone to view and record videos and photos. Headless and inverse control function, 6-axis gyro quad rotor flight for strong stability, movement, strong wind resistance and easier control. 1 key 360 built-in flip stunt feature. Now I know that's not a feature that you've got, big boy, is it? This isn't going to be a tale of David and Goliath, which I very much doubt it, but we'll get back to the tail of the tape for the BALCO. We are controlled by the remote control, which I would be not surprised if we were controlled by anything else. Light yet but robust, it only weighs 125 grams. That is, I could say less than a bag of sugar, but it's a hell of a lot less than a bag of sugar. Orientation LEDs, propeller guards and additional propellers included, because you'll probably break a few, I can guarantee you that. Auto hover mode and a 1-year guarantee. I reckon that 1-year guarantee will be cashed in within maybe a week's time or so on that one. Now the build or the brand for this drone is the BALCO. It has internal memory, RAM as in random access memory. It has digital cameras and camcorders. It's suitable for 14 ages and above. The dimensions of this little drone are 32 by 32 by 7 centimeters approx. Material, ABS. Rechargeable, yes. Weight 125 grams. and it comes from an experience the world of a whole new perspective when you grab yourself the CMS 720p drone camera, a great device to have. These flying drones are perfect for taking to the park or on holiday. Not in this day and age. Sometimes they won't even let you fly them in the park, but they'll say what they can to sell them, allowing you to explore places you can't quite get to yourself. And I'm about to like the sounds of this quadcopter or drone, whatever you want to call it. 6 to 8 minutes. I don't think you'll be able to get there yourself with that either. In offering HD quality, the first person view can be transmitted directly to any iOS or Android device, where you can also record and view photos of what the camera shows you. Easy to fly, this drone also features a 360 built-in flip stun capability to make pictures and videos extra exciting. Now, if that means taking pictures upside down, I'm not sure, but that's what this drone offers, and probably that's the best thing that this drone can do. But we're going to know, because we're going to take it outside and we're going to put it up against the daddy. Yes, he has your older brothers and younger brothers, but this bad boy is still the daddy, I think. I don't like any other one. I like him. I don't like the Mavericks. I don't like the Phantom 3s. I like the Phantom 4. Yes, I wouldn't mind the Phantom 4 Pro with the screen, but this one is my baby. I love it, and I think any budding vlogger, any budding YouTuber loves to get his hands on these Phantoms. They're a bit big and heavy to log about, and I'll tell you the tale of the tape on this one. Compared to that little baby, that little 50 pounds, as in 50 English pounds, not 50 pounds in weight. This bad boy has got some weight about it. It weighs 3 pounds. That is around about 30 times heavier than that little one. It has a speed of 13 miles per hour. Ascent speed, that is. That's going straight up. It has a descent speed at 8.9 miles per hour. It has a forward speed of 45 miles per hour. It has a max flight time of 28 minutes. It has a ceiling height of 400 foot. It has satellite systems, GPS, GLONASS, obstacle sensory range 2 to 49 feet, gimbal control range minus 90 to plus 30, pitch, camera sensor half to 3 inch, lens 94 inch, ISO range 100 to 3200, max image size 4000 to 3000, max video size 4096 times 2160, max video bitrate 60 megabytes per second, file systems FAT32, exFAT, photo formats JPEG and DNG, video formats MP4, MOV, MPEG, charger specs 17.4 volts, 100 watt, remote frequency 2.400/2483 gigahertz. It's a bad boy. It'll just come back to warm. Intelligent flight mode. Battery specs 5.350 mAh, 15.2 volts. Now, when you go into its intelligent flight battery mode and everything else, velocity range and how far it can go, you're just talking beast mode. And I don't even think it's fair to mention all of that stuff already against this little fella here. But what we're going to do is we're going to take them both out on the field and we're going to put them up against each other, do a little bit of filming, see how they perform, see what you get for your £50 and see how it does. So that's what it is. Get ready for that video, guys. Get ready for it coming up, because it'll be up in the next day or two. As soon as the wind dies down a little bit, because we don't know how that one little bit fella's going to perform, He might just fall straight out of the sky, but only time will tell. So that's the tell of the tape tonight, guys. And you were lucky you weren't here earlier on, because there was a bit of bottle thrown. It was like the McGregor fight, you know, at the beginning, you know, the weigh-in. So you're glad you weren't here for that. But it all settled down. We got the information out that we wanted to get out. There's a few other little things that we should be saying, but we're not, because it's totally unfair on little David over there. And if it is a big David and Goliath type battle, well, my friend, I hope you can just stand it and basically get back up this time. Don't just stay on your back. If you can look up, you can get up. But that's it for tonight, guys. I'm out of here, and we'll see you in the test. Comparison, flight for flight. Let's see what they can both do. Let's see what they're capable of, and let's see what the picture quality and that's like. And if you want to buy your daddy a £50 drone for Christmas, maybe this is the one for him. Till next time.